guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you can probably tell by the title what I'm going to be doing. So I've been having such a bad day all day since I woke up. I actually decided I was just going to go to bed so that I could wake up tomorrow and everything could be, you know, fresh. Instead of letting this bad mood take over, I am going to just turn it around and do what I love best, and that is this. So I decided to get dressed, do my hair. I'm only like half dressed, PJs on the bottom, business in the front, party in the back, right? And since I can't go out, I thought, why not party at home? So I decided to do the drunk get ready with me challenge. Okay, so I already have my hair done. You can't really see, but I just want you to see all of it. I have my clips and I'm just going to clip my hair back before I start. Ever since this whole quarantine isolation business, I've been really trying to just, I don't know, find things to do. So to start this off, I'm having rosé and I'm using this little glass I got from wine tasting. I'm not sure if we were supposed to take these home, but whatever. And I'm a lightweight, so let's see how this goes. So I had this vision to just do like a Cinco de Mayo look. I don't know why. Hopefully by Cinco de Mayo I can actually be getting ready for the occasion, so I'm not gonna waste that look just yet. I think I'm just gonna try and wing it and see how this goes. It's so funny. For a moment I actually forgot I was doing the drinking thing. So even without concealing my brows, you can see that it's definitely a lot lighter than I normally do it, like not as bold. So now to add to whatever rosé I have left, hold on. I'm gonna mix a little Summersby in there. I just polished my nails, but they still need to be filled, so I'm like afraid they're gonna snap. Let me find something to open this with. I'm using a lollipop. Gonna pour this in. Don't be shy, put some more. Alright, cheers. Now I'm just going to take a little bit more concealer and just do my eyelids. I was like, oh, I stay home all the time, I'll be totally fine. But now it's so different when you're actually forced to stay inside. I'm using NARS concealer. Like when you just know that you are physically unable to go out and do things, you can't see people even if you wanted to, it really does mess you up mentally, and it's just a little bit stressful. And just the uncertainty of the future, because in life we always have this idea that we have some sort of control over everything. When you realize you have absolutely no control over what happens, that really can really trip you up. Life happens when you're busy making plans. Well, if 2020 does not prove to every single person on the planet that that is so true, then I don't know. I'm very much a live in the moment, and whatever happens, happens type of person. Progress, self-growth, that's what we want to happen. I'm becoming a classy woman. I'm using the Sephora brand foundation. I did try out 2 new foundations. One just completely didn't work with me. One of them you saw in the video that I posted. It was Tarte. I loved it, but it was high coverage, just like this one. I want a lighter coverage foundation because I'm definitely going to be focusing a lot more on skincare. The huge acne breakouts are definitely improving, but the scarring after, like, it just takes so long to go away, and then when they do go away, I get another breakout, and so on and so forth. So and now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and just put right in the center of my forehead, just to kind of lighten this area and create some dimension. I'm going to take a thumbnail. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel, and I'm just going to brush up. Why is this so funny to me? Perfecto! I'm going to very lightly powder my face. Now I have Beauty Blender, don't drag me for how dirty it is, and I have my CoverGirl Clean Professional setting powder. And I'm just gonna take the Beauty Blender and set under my eyes. I cannot believe I'm setting under my eyes to go and sit in the living room. But why am I shocked? Because this is what I always do for makeup tutorials. And most of the time, I don't usually have somewhere to go after I do all the glam, so. But at least I had the ability to. Now I can't. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a candle burning. It's like my favorite thing to do, just to have candles lit. I think I'm gonna do a cut crease look. I'm gonna try to do a very bold, maybe like a fall look. Oh, I could do that. A fall makeup look. Do I wanna do fall though? Yeah, I do, because I have a very specific lip look that I wanna do, and that requires it to be fall. I'm going to, I'm not doing fall. Actually, or am I? I don't like unplanned videos. I need things to be planned or I'm gonna just be a mess. I'm gonna do fall with all the colors. I'm using this color. And I'm gonna put that over the crease at the end. Oh, this color is beautiful. I've never used it before. Discovering new things. I've basically become a TikTok pro ever since this whole isolation thing. Well, not pro, I would say. And then for the corner, I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm going to use this color. And I'm going to continue over the crease. And we're going to, can I speak? We're going to repeat on the other side. By the way, this look doesn't necessarily have to be for fall. It can be like an evening glam, whenever. I'm just trying to experiment with colors that I've never used before because I don't know why. I'm just always stuck in this box of using and doing the exact same thing and I want to get out of it. Now I'm going to take some of my concealer and I'm going to put a little bit on a brush and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to chug it. Okay, so the problem with me cutting the crease is this color is so light that I'm not really liking how it looks, but I'm going to keep it because we're already here. Okay, so that one is done, and I'm going to do the second side. I think you're supposed to do these drunk get ready with me videos with somebody. Oh, it's empty. Let's fill it back up. It's funny. I don't know what's funny, but it's funny. Now for the color inside the crease, I'm going to use, should I use this random yellow color? This random color. Maybe I'll use both. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna use this random yellow color. I'm gonna do that in the front. It's not even yellow, it's like orange. And I'm using my Jeffree Star JS10 Morphe crease brush. Ooh, this is actually a pretty color. Doesn't this combination look incredible? I think it does. I'm gonna use this on the other side. Who told us? Who told us? Why is this ugly color coming for my entire existence and makeup look right now? Okay. A true artist will make anything work. So let's make it work. We can do this. This is proof that no matter what colors you are given, you can make a masterpiece. And that is exactly what we are about to do. And now I'm back in the orange and I'm kind of blending it out in the middle. Now I'm going to use I haven't used this one. This shiny color, this pigment, it's like bronze. And I'm gonna put it in the middle between the yellowy orange color and that seaweed monster color. It reminds me of that monster from that Kim Possible episode. This will do. I think I'm downing this a little too fast. I've officially curled my hair 2 days in a row with nowhere to go. I really want us to come together as a world and just like fix this. For the moment you've all been waiting for. Not yet. So for the bottom of my eyes, I'm gonna take a tiny brush, even tinier than that brush. I'm going to take, I'm gonna use this bright blue. Should I do it? Oh my gosh, Bozo the Clown has entered the chat. I feel like this is a really great makeup look. It is excellence at its finest. And I think that all these years of getting ready to go out to the club or whatever while pre-gaming has prepared me for this video today. Mascara, Tom Ford, because we're bougie. So just putting a little mascara. What did I call it? Yeah, it's mascara. I'm pretty sure that's what I said. And now I'm using liquid eyeliner. We can do this. I'm just putting a little, I should have put this before the mascara. You might not be able to see me for a while because I'm gonna be like really concentrating. Oh, I messed up. Oh, snap. Cut the cameras. Deadass. Alright, so I'm going to go back to my JS10 crease brush. I'm going to go back into that weird orange and I'm going to go over just a little bit because it's looking a little patchy. Now I'm going to use my Morphe lashes in the style Hypnotic. I was having trouble opening the lash box because of my nails and I instantly thought of a TikTok. This is unhealthy and I'd like to speak to a manager. I just want to make some like vegetarian chicken. That's so sad. The world is ending and all I can eat is vegetarian chicken. Cheese pizza, a Beyond Burger. My anxiety that I've had all day just like went out the window. I feel fabulous and my lash went on perfectly. Yeah, my eyes are stuck together, but the lash is on perfectly. I mean, I did that with one eye. I'm just gonna keep this eye closed while the glue dries. Oh wait, maybe I should open it. Hold on. Okay. Ow! Oh, it's perfect. I am not taking this makeup off. I'm going to bed in it. We're going to put the second lash on. We're going to let the glue dry. Oh my god. While that glue is drying, I'm going to take my Morphe brush and just brush away the translucent powder. Now I'm taking contour. Maybe I can open my eyes now. Oh, my eyes are glued together again. Not as bad this time though. Now I'm going to take some contour powder mixed with my face powder. I'm going to contour my cheeks. And my Morphe blush brush. And I'm just going to blush my face. I am using Hard Candy highlighter. Oh, I forgot about this again. I'm using a cream pencil for my waterline. So I'm gonna do that. Just pouring some more drink. I had a very specific lip thing that I wanted to do, lip look, sorry. And now that my makeup is so crazy, it's gonna look really ridiculous. But I'm doing it anyways. I'm using Sephora lipstick in the color, it's Sephora Rouge Cream. It's just red. So I have the red lips, and now I'm gonna use a Morphe lip liner in the color Wine Me. Okay, I feel like this could I'm just going to take my hair clip out. Wow, I got foundation all over it. Take my hair out, brush. I mean, is it that bad? Okay, maybe the lips are a little bit... Okay, I'm gonna change the lips. Alright, so I'm using MAC Whirl. This color honestly just works with everything. MAC Whirl is just the best color ever invented. Final sip. I did this really fast, like really fast. This is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been so much fun. On a serious note, this whole isolation thing can get really tough. So we just have to keep on pushing ourselves to do things that are actually fun and that make us laugh. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna go now and make my vegetarian chicken, which I love, and I don't miss real chicken at all.